is playing. Woo! Is it the water or it's just hot here?
Water.
Wow.
But this is still not as hot as the, Laguna.
Laguna, yeah. Laguna is hotter. But I like this hotness. You're far from me, babe.
You mean you're far from me?
It's the summer is here. Oh. That's why I'm here. Yeah. Wait, look on here. No, you're shade. So we can see your handsomeness. Right? And then we can take picture of that. Even though just like that. Yeah. Ang dami na bigyan natin. Ito pala yung isa. Kita yung sabi. Para kita talaga. Di, kay gusto ko mati ko gusto ko. Ang gulo dot ngayon mo ano? Para subo ka tayo mo ano? Daddy. Pas ka mundo. Wow, my sister's sexy. 6'8". 6'6"
But I don't ask for this.
No guard. I mean, how to say burning.
Picture ka mga doon.
Ang init man. Ay, ang sarap ng tubig.
We made your hair sexy.
Picture daw kami nila. Aduwa. Pidlita lay ni nga lido nga white ta. Kay naka-video na iya. Picture daw kami nila. Ay, oo. Adi nga dit na white. Sorry.
Ah, sige. Pwede niya malusti?
Tanggalapin mo ano?
Just wait a minute. Then get fully up. And then you can it should have been really fast. Maybe it is a period, just like blood, just release it. Then you are prone to this pain.
Kamu ni na dahil lingkod nga tayo tas picture. Tas liwat didi.
Come here.
1, 2, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Didi dahil mahusay nga di.
Tapos na kami dito.
Tapos na ka mo nga ni? Pag picture?
Oo, dito logo dito.
Sata. Yeah, it's sata.
No, I'm used to water. When I take the bath sometimes, I usually take
Gukul ba na eh? Buyag.
Buyag is
Yan, photographer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes. You sleepy, babe. In pipiraway, adi dito ko.
Relaxing po yan.
Hey, see through bed. Booty everywhere.
Ha? Ha? Dito ko tatatayin dyan. Over there, babe. Okay. Yeah.
I'll be right there.
Dili kasi wala na kasi ako exercise. Dili kasi ano ka kasi nagpapara. Tapos dili na wala na kasi gawas-gawas. Di ba may kulang kamo kay hindi lang ako tapos hindi lang ito kapag mo gawas bisan pag. Ha? Yeah, here.
Place and then
And this guy.
I'll go get some again. Water again.
Yes, water.
Thank you. You like to back there? You like to back there?
Ate, kaya isa ano, pag-check din ako dito. Kita ko sa kay gabag kaya hindi talaga. Ay, nakaon na. Aspirin kasi ni. Too much hot.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Too much.
Yeah, too much. Not too much. Hello. One more. Hot one.
Dili na ako sa na.
Come. Sorry.
Dili ya rayo. Hamon. Pangtika di ya mahal. O pangtikan. Nakabidyo niya. Okay na.
You know what to do here?
So hot. Yeah, doon no, baka hindi. Do not go further.
Why is written only in Korean?
Because there are already almost tutorials in Tamil. Yeah, because sa Korean is okay. Hindi naman yung ano. Hindi ko consume. May electrolytes daw. I think this is versa. And then this versa. Yan, din pa. Pwede mo na.
This is just sugar.
Yeah.
Please open.
I ever just finished my water.
You need to drink this. I thought like a bug grabbing you.
Wait, nothing.
You have to drink it.
The view here is beautiful.
Where it came from, the course of the stuff.
Yan, thank you. Ikaw dito lang. Yan, wala ka. Relax sa body. Wala ka muna. Ito na natin. Ano? Kasi the more we're gonna take a picture. The background is nice. Tapos kita liwat dahil. Para makita ka ano, background.
Sige, pakadto na kita. Naka-rest ka na. Ay, picture ni kamo ni Kuya.
Amo ko na sa akong cellphone jet.
Sige.
Ay, hindi na natin. Picture rin natin yung natin. Ay, may ano, may kaya tawag ito? Ah, tawag ito ba?
Coconut. Coconut.
Coconut tree.
Ah, there we go.
One.
I look like I'm pregnant.
Video. Din mami will edit it.
Okay lang kayo dadadong konto dito.
Amo kay mi sulod pag nagsiswimming kami everyday. Amo ginbubulyasan ko tong diretso tita kay pagkabuwas amo tagagamiton.
Sige lang.
Your honor. Your honor. The award winning of clumsiness.
Sige. Masunod na lang kayo kung mag-video ako.
Hi, Dad.
Going down.
It's going down. This is the place of reality of the heaven. Right.
That's my deck. We're going down because we're going to the next destination, which is the sand. They'll bury us in the sand. Here you are. Hot Spring, Station 3. We're going to Station 2. And then 1. 0 means go home. It's time to go home. If we reach the stage 0. No, just kidding. What took you so long to make you strong?
No, coming down. Up the other staircase. Oh, they close it before there's waterfall here. Yeah, it was here.
They asked picture daw here.
No, over there, babe. We took a picture here. The water's not running. Yeah. There used to be water there. Well, you could take here.
Doon pa sila guys. At ako ay uuwi na. Dahil mainit na doon.